Hello and welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned in my last video, today will also be a non-building video. Today we're going to look at my new pedestal. Generally this would be the perfect part for me to build and show you how I did it, since it does not require me to keep coming to the sim to check if it fits. But the fact is, I did not build this pedestal. We all know that this hobby is very expensive. So many times we buy hardware second-hand. But I never thought about buying a homemade part second-hand until I saw this pedestal posted, I believe on a Cockpit builder group on Facebook. When I visited the seller, I was happy with what I saw. It looked well built, no damages, and I agreed to buy it. From a value perspective, when you include wood, screws, paint, and most importantly, your time, this was certainly a bargain. The pedestal includes the fire panel enclosure. It came with a single cover, which I then slightly modified by cutting it down to accommodate my existing radius. I gave only the cover a coat of paint because after the modification the old paint was a bit ruined. The idea is that every time I add a radio, I take a part of the cover off by cutting a piece off. On the side, it already had the holes for the cables. There is not very much more to it. It feels strong, and I screwed it to the platform with a couple of screws for stability. Compared to my old temporary one I had, this gives the cockpit a totally new look. So that was it for today. If you have any questions, please leave me a message below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.